I will need this just to light up a little bit of, oh, is everything good? Oh, is that me?
I think it was catching the fire from there.
Oh no. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Alan. I'm a world-renowned famous photographer. Just kidding. Today I have a really neat video. I'm doing a photo shoot with an individual by the name of Trey. He's an influencer. His brand deals with everything plants, vinyl records, and such. And he needs some promotional photography done with him and his brand and his element. And he hit me up. It's gonna be an exciting day. I'm really looking forward to doing this shoot because I haven't done something like this where I'm photographing someone who's representing their brand and what they're influencing. Let's just start out with some gear. I'm gonna be photographing with two cameras. One, we'll start off with the A7IV that I have right here, mounted with the 35 GM, the 1.4. Love this combination. Great for environmental portraits, which is what this sort of photo shoot is gonna entail. Shooting the environment, shooting Trey within his environment, so that way you get to not only see him, but what he's all about. Also, I have the A7R4, which is the second camera. With this, I have paired the 50mm 1.2 G Master. Great for just close-up portraits, mixed with the resolution of the A7R4. I have a lot to work around and play with, getting close-ups, blurring out backgrounds. So I don't think I'm gonna be using this a lot because I wanna make sure that we capture the background, and because we'll be shooting at his place, and his place is just filled with plants and just like furniture and just everything that would represent him and his brand perfectly. So like I said, I don't think I'm gonna be using this a lot, but it's nice to have just in case an idea pops up. Definitely A7R4 with the 50mm 1.2 G Master, and then like I said, the A7IV with the 35mm 1.4 G Master. Like I said, it's gonna be great. So I also have some filters that I'll be using. All my lenses are equipped with Pro Mist filters, either at 1/4 level or 1/2 level or 1/8 level. And then they also have ND filters on them. That way I can always, make sure I get the best out of the highlights. If things are too dark, I can bring them back up in Capture One or Photoshop, Lightroom, what have you. And I also have a fog machine that I will be using. So definitely stick around for that because that's gonna be really interesting. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it turns out really cool because it's either gonna make the atmosphere look super dope or it's gonna make the photos look like he's not just growing a certain type of plant, he's growing all types of plants. I'm just kidding. I just thought that would be a funny joke. But that's pretty much my intro, guys. Definitely stick around. I can't wait for you guys to follow me around. I'll be vlogging this entire thing. Yeah, I'll catch you guys out in the next scene. See you soon. All right, y'all, so I am outside. I'm about to get in my vehicle. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start packing up my things. What I have right now is my fog machine, my light, and my other light, and an extension cable to be able to use the fog machine. Start bringing all that stuff into the truck. Follow along. Let's get out of here. All right, guys, so I just made it to Trey's place. All right, let's head over to the place and let's see if we can knock on his door and see if he answers, and well, great. All right, look at this fancy stuff. Hold on. Look how fancy this is. Look at a whole key code system that you put stuff in. Welcome to 2022. Okay. All right, we are in. All right, we are headed over. Hi, how are you? Good, good. Let's see, where are we going?
Elevator that way.
This way?
Yeah.
Oh, awesome. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. Whoa, look at this padding. That's pretty cool. All right, we are here. Let's knock on the door and say hello to Trey. Hey, what up, man?
How you doing, bro? Come on in, man.
Good. How are you?
Pretty good, man.
Good. Awesome, man. Is it okay? Hopefully it's okay that I'm vlogging?
Yeah,
this
man.
whole thing?
Good, man. Make yourself at home.
Thanks, man. Thanks.
You need anything to drink or anything? You good?
No, I'm good. I'm good. I grabbed something before I got here. Just ate on the way, and I feel good.
Cool.
I feel good.
Good. I'm excited, man. I'm excited.
Same.
It's nice to meet you, man.
Yeah.
Come on back to the spot. I'll let you see.
Yeah, sure. Awesome.
Yeah, so I mean, like I said, make yourself at home, survey the space, and kind of get a feel for what you want to do. And
Yeah, this is
like,
cool.
yeah, you got full creative control, man.
Yeah, do you mind giving me like a little tour of like all the plants and stuff, and just tell me a little bit about like everything you've got going on?
Cool, we'll do, man. So let's see. I guess I can start with this is my pride and joy right here. So it's just a peace lily, really. They come in a different bunch of different varieties, but this one is a sensation peace lily, so it's a little larger. I'd say out of all of these, this is probably my most coveted plant.
That is awesome.
And then I have one in the back here. So it's the same plant, these two right here. Same plant, but just a different variety. So the leaves are a lot less broad, a lot less large. They do the same thing, so they let me know when they need to be watered. So I really like plants that are like easy to care for.
Yeah,
so it doesn't take a lot, because I have like 45 of them. So yeah, I need something that's easy. If I forget a couple weeks, I need it to like let me know what's up. So yeah.
That's beautiful, man. Yeah, this is awesome. All right.
I really appreciate it, man.
Yeah, great. Same. Let me just go. I have one little thing to get from the vehicle. Alright guys, so I am here with the awesome tray. I have everything set up. I have both my cameras ready. I hope you guys can see the entire room. I think it's super dope. I think this setup is awesome, Trey.
Thanks, man.
Sit back, relax, enjoy the show. Yeah, I hope you guys learned something and have a good time watching. So. Alright guys, so that's the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed watching everything take place. Trey, you were just so awesome. I really appreciate you, man.
Thanks,
really
man.
easy to work with. You
Appreciate
know what I mean?
it.
You do G poses, you know what I mean?
You made it easy on me, man. You made it easy.
I tried, man. I was feeding off your vibes, and your love that I've held to you was just awesome, helping out and everything like that.
Man.
But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Please like and subscribe. I will check you guys out in the next video. We will say peace out.
Peace.
And see ya.